I walk around these days at 135 at quite a low body fat. But not too long ago, I started out my journey here, skinny, fat, and honestly, hopeless. Now throughout my journey, I've done a multitude of approaches to fix this, ranging from a cut, bulk, and even fad diets.
Bulking and cutting can certainly work, but what if I told you that there was an easier way?
With what I am about to tell you, you won't feel like you are on a restrictive diet at all. Your focus becomes solely improving your performance in the gym, and best of all, you can maintain this way of living for the rest of your life. I can guarantee you will reach your goals.
It will all feel effortless.
And I'm gonna lay it on y'all right now. I'm gonna break this down in 4 segments: nutrition, training, supplements, and a rapid fire recipe, as always. When it comes to nutrition, we have one goal: stay the exact same weight. Now, how do we do this? Simple. We find our maintenance calories. Now, how do we do that? Either go on tdeecalculator.net, put in all your information, and it'll hand it to you on a silver platter, and all you have to do is eat that number. Or you fuck around and find out. Eat a set amount of calories for a week, take a weekly average, and if it stays the same, then you're eating the right amount of calories. If you go up in weight, drop the calories. If you lose weight, increase the calories until you stay the same weight for a week. Got it? Got it. Now, what is the purpose of staying the same weight, you may ask? It's simple. This puts you in the best position to put on muscle and lose fat at the same time through body recomposition. Now, I consider this to be the easiest pathway to overcome skinny fat for a number of reasons. For one, you're not going hungry because you're not cutting. You don't have to worry about putting on too much fat because you aren't bulking. And this is something you can really do long term. As long as you have enough body fat, your body will always be in the position to build muscle and lose fat. And sure, it does take longer than both the cutting and the bulking approach, but at the same time, if you can maintain this long term, I do think that outweighs the negatives you get with cutting and bulking. This is me at 137, and this is me at 137. If you want to get the best possible results out of this style of eating, train like how I'm about to tell you in this next chapter right now. How the fuck do we train? When it comes to compound movements, get stronger with the reverse pyramid style of training. What the fuck is this? You start off by doing your 3 warm-up sets. Let's just say you're doing a bench press. Start off with just the bar, 135, 185 for your 3 build-up sets. That's just an example. After those 3 warm-up sets, one set of 4 to 6 reps, that is 85% of your max. Drop the weight by 10%, do a set of 6 to 8 reps, drop the weight again by 10%, and do a set of 8 to 10 reps. Week by week, you increase that rep count on each set by 1. When it comes to your isolation movements, simply increase the amount of reps week by week. And in the description, there's going to be a free 5-day training plan for you guys that you guys can follow. Now, why does this work?
This works because your body will use its fat stores for energy, and the appropriate protein will help your muscles recover and repair.
And this especially works if you're skinny fat because your body has a lot of excess fat to begin with.
Now what about cardio?
Just walk, bro.
We must make sure it's a whey casein protein powder. You get the most optimal benefits for muscle protein synthesis this way because whey digests very fast and casein digests this very slow. And not to mention, if you like baking cool recipes, this makes your recipes thicker and better tasting as well. Caffeine, usually in the form of pre-workout, or as I like, black coffee, aka liquid discipline, give you more energy in the gym. You want to pick one that has a good amount of beta-alanine, L-citrulline, and also, of course, caffeine. Now, Jeff Nippert, if you're for some reason watching this video, I will die on a hill with testosterone. The benefit of this is essentially it's a vegan steroid, it's a plant steroid, or as I like to call it, vegan steroids. And the only side effect that I saw from it was an exploded bench press and shoulder press. So take it.
Now we get to one of my favorite recipes I've made so far on this channel, the cheeseburger burritos. Start by weighing out 224 grams of that 95.5 ground beef. Now season this with all those spices there until you get this and then this. And then cook it, preferably until it's cooked. And because this is a leaner cut of beef, pour water on it periodically so it doesn't dry up like a fucking boner. Take both cheeses, 28 grams each. Spray it with avocado oil so it gets bubbly. Blend it in your hands and it should look like this. Sauce time, but not cock sauce. Anyways, 14 grams of mayo, Healthy serving of sriracha. Spam the garlic. Spam the cayenne. Spam the chili powder. Spam the paprika. Spank your spoon and mix it all up. At this point, lay your tortilla flat and put everything together so it looks just like this. And now it's roll time. Fold it on both sides, roll it up, give it a slap, spray with avocado oil on both sides, and then slap it on the pan, and then it should come out looking like this. It's fucking tasty. Feel free to deep throat it. Anywho, these are the macros.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching that. I had fun making it. I just saw that 93% of you guys are not subscribed yet. If you're looking to overcome skinny fat with relative ease and also watch some funny ass fitness challenges, subscribe to the channel now.